Getting into the bed. Before I got into the bed, I always follow the musicians around or watch them practice in the town outdoor. I even asked my friends to walk around the beach. We banged on one of the shoe classes with sand in them or cold sand filled with pebbles. We made noises loudly, little by little, they all got tired following me around. I knew it was time to try out the real deal. I did a few auditions. Time was precious. I couldn't get my breath and I started to cry. I just wanted to run home, but the leader was very understanding. He fixed an appointment for the following week. He explained how to relax and new breathing technique. So I practiced everything he told me. I went around the house making drum noises, bass noises, and trying piano noises and piano sounds that helped me out. The next time I had prepared everything, but I didn't play well enough because I was too nervous. Not as much as the first time. I told the leader that I needed a bit more time. The third time was a completely different story. I enjoyed it. Then, one Saturday morning, I played in front of the whole band, and they clicked. The leader said, "Let's welcome Peter to the band. He deserves his praise." I was just so happy and I was very proud of myself. They gave me the benefit.